What's going on, guys? This is Rohin. You are watching all about tech, and in this video I'm having an app, the navigation panel bar animations no root. So you can simply download it from the Play Store by searching NavBar Animations no root, or I can give the link in the description below. So guys, this is the app. Basically here you can see I got this animation, colorful animation. I like it because the Google is also a colored thing. That's why I personally like this app. So guys, it works on this home screen button, and unfortunately nah, stopped. So guys, it happened because I just closed the app, but it doesn't close itself. It may show that it is closed but not. So this is the app. Basically here you can see I use it since a week, but just for the first time it shows that it has a very many things, which is it's the another one, black and white, colorful, Christmas, space war, prism, and many of them like the league, rockstar, materical, Halloween, Diwali, rainbow, basics, and many other people. So guys, I like the splash one. Let me just show you. It takes a second, it because it depends the connect it depends on the network connection, which is not good in my phone. And there are many options like play animation, home both, home both, and animation speed. You can increase it, color overlay, or in the white one, cancel. Here you can see I select the random one, that's why I was getting another one. So guys, you got this. It may shows you laggy, but it's not in the video maybe. So guys, I select the random one, which is personally I like that personally. So guys, it is so colorful. Even after closing the app, it works very well. So guys, hope you like the video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Comment for another video of your choice and follow us on Twitter. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.